Hey, what's going on, social media family? Cory Brim here for Sugar Brim Bar, and in this video, man, I'm gonna go over our channel. So sit back, enjoy. I'll make this quick as possible. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said on every video, man, let's go. Hey everybody, Cory Brim here, Sugar Brim Bar, and I just want to take right off from the beginning. I just want to thank you guys, man. We are seven people away from hitting 10,000 subscribers. Man, look, I can't even believe that this is happening. I can't believe what's going on right now, and I just want to take a moment to thank you guys. I've thanked you in several videos, but honestly, I just really want to take a moment to thank you guys. And if there are any other people out there and you're thinking, how do I grow my channel and what do I do? And I never set off on a journey to become a YouTuber, even if that's what I am. I was sharing videos on Facebook for 10 years, gained some traction, got some followers over there. Facebook didn't pay me, and it's not necessarily about getting paid from YouTube, but your boy getting a check. I am getting a check now. I just want to take a moment just to say thank you, and I want you guys to be a part of it. So I have not hit 10,000 yet, but I am going to hit that either today or tomorrow. And when I do, I want to share that with you. And another thing that I want to do, honestly, is I probably want to give away something, because I wouldn't be able to reach these levels. So if you don't know, once you hit 10,000 subscribers, I'm then able to sell merchandise. So shirts, hats, things of that nature. But it's also, like I said, it's not about the money. It's more or less about hitting goals and milestones. Just personally and professionally for myself. I started this, as you guys may or may not know. I don't know where you're coming in on this journey. I started my channel 10 years ago, right around the time I was just beginning to start my business. I had another phone. I didn't want to lose the footage that I put on that phone, so I uploaded that footage into YouTube. So look, if you ever have a moment, just go to my page, scroll all the way down. I have hundreds of videos. Not that this video is a little bit of polish, but it's a lot better than what I used to make. Here's what I'll do. I'll tell you what, I'll tag, or maybe I'll even place a photo of my first video that I ever made. I'll put it like right here, and you can just see the difference. I kept going live, kept making videos, kept staying at it. And what I want to encourage you with is this: no matter where you are on your journey, no matter if you have 1,000 subscribers, 100 subscribers, 2 subscribers, or even you got more than me, maybe you have 100,000 and you just watching me, maybe you got 1 million. The thing is, you just got to stay consistent. The one thing that I learned, or I am learning as I'm growing, is just consistency. Not only consistency, but also like I'm upgrading this stuff. Like if you look at my other videos, like hell, like we painted a wall. I painted a wall in my house, and I have a dedicated space now where I just didn't have it before. I was using, and even now I have microphones that I would normally use. But I wanted to give this to you raw, because I want you to see that it doesn't take much. All right, so let me show you my setup. Let me show you what I got going on. So as you can see, here's my ring light that I use. This is my desk, which I've cleaned up a little bit. There's the new mic that I got. So I'm always on my page, always looking, always checking over my analytics. And let's go here. So as you can see from my page, I'm at 9,991 subscribers. That is crazy. Look at this, man. I've gained 2,500 subscribers in the last 30 days, which to me is completely insane. I just want to thank you guys and show you that it's possible. I've uploaded so many videos, but one video that I did make, it got over 60,000 views. I've had other videos that have like 70,000 views, 20,000 views, but one video that it just took off. And that made me sort of believe in myself and see the possibilities of what's possible on a platform like YouTube. And I just want to encourage you guys, and I want you to stick around, watch me hit this 10,000, because I want to hit it with you. All right, hold on, let's go. Yo, what up? So it is day 2, next day, getting ready to jump into Black Beauty. So let's see what that subscriber list is hitting for, y'all. Okay, let's go to my channel, and you guys bear with me, and let's see what it's hitting for. Let's go. I'm gonna do this with y'all in real time, man. Boom, there we go, baby. 10,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers. Woo! Look, man, look, I just want to say thanks, man. Thank you guys, man. 10,000 subscribers. I never would have believed that I would have made it to this level. I am so serious, man. Look, this video is going to be kind of all over the place. And seriously, you're going to find the joys of what it took for me to grow this channel and for you guys to help me to get to 10,000 subscribers. I think I'm going to celebrate. I think I'm going to celebrate. I deserve a trip. Yeah, let's go. Let's take a trip. 10,000 subscribers, man. I'm gonna do MGM this weekend. Wall thing.
We here, baby.
I want to show you guys what I'm doing. I'm in Las Vegas at the MGM Grand, editing YouTube videos, uploading and editing YouTube videos. It never ends, man. See, this the grind you got to get to 10,000 subscribers. Let me get to the edits. What is up, social media family? Cory Brim of Sugar Ram Bar, and guys, we did it. We did it. We got to 10,000 subscribers. And look, so here's what I did, man. I just to kind of bring you up to speed. First, you know, like I said, always saying everything, man. I want to thank you guys for helping me reach 10,000 subscribers. This is crazy. I never would have thought that I would have gotten here. So what I did was I hopped on a plane, came out to Vegas, and I had it all mapped out, man. I had it all mapped out. I was gonna make a dope video from Vegas, get some B-roll, laugh, joke, have a good time. I'm at the MGM right now, but guys, I got a room at the Cosmo. Balcony, had it all laid out, decked out room, ordered some food, got the champagne, actually made the video. The video didn't feel right. It didn't feel right. It felt fake. It felt like I was making a video to hype it up or create. I was branding myself and showing, like, you know, I'm doing all these things, got a business, still creating money, making these hustles. Now I got 10,000 subscribers, I'm monetized on YouTube, and it just didn't feel right. It didn't feel right that I was making a video and it wasn't really me, you know? I mean, oh no, don't get me wrong. I love the sweet. I love the breakfast, and I love that is me. But it felt wrong me making a video to make it seem like I'm at some certain level now. When I created my YouTube channel, when I started on this, even when I was on Facebook, gaining more traction and getting more subscribers, guys, I do this with my cell phone. I do it with my cell phone. I don't have any fancy editing equipment. No one, like, I don't have editors or photographers. Like, guys, I'm doing it all. The reason why that video is not gonna be in this video is because I think the level that I'm at as I grow this, I don't want you to think that you need some fancy lighting system. I'm not mic'd up right now. I don't want you to think that you need some fancy editing equipment. I don't want you to think that you got to do all of this to gain subscribers. In my honest opinion, I think that most people follow me, or most people listen to the messages that I put out or whatever, because I think I'm being transparent. I think I'm being real. You know, it feels real to me, and I don't have it all figured out. I'm not the most articulate, you know. I'm not the best looking, whatever. I mean, I know I have a great smile, so I love the smile, you know. So I think with me being honest and pure to who I am, not a millionaire, you know, not yet. And I think that's relatable to people. What sort of gets me views or whatever is I'm looking at it from your point of view. I always kind of make these videos, always speak from what kind of information would I want to have, or what I need to know if I was starting all over again. And I think that's kind of what drives the channel, the views, the engagement, is that I'm not out here flossing. I'm not out here, dude, like, the room was nice. Oh man, the room was dope. The room was dope. But it would just be so misleading to know that I started this from nothing and grew it to what it is now. Of course, I want you to come along on the journey. Of course, I want you to see the benefits of me being able to increase my life. But I don't want to be fake about it. I don't want to, because I see so many people doing that. I see so many people who rent the Lambos, and they rent the cars, and they get the thing, and they get the website and the thing, and they send you down the rabbit hole of the funnel. Which I mean, sure, I may do something similar to that. I mean, I may create some sort of membership or Patreon, but right now, it just didn't feel right. It didn't feel right. I want this channel to grow organically. I want you to come along with me and see me in my journey. And for a lot of you, especially over the last month, I've gained like almost 4,000 new subscribers. And not that everyone's gonna watch this video, but I don't want to come off, I don't want your first impression of me being like,
I got some tricked out suite in Vegas and I'm popping bottles.
Like that. That's not how I grew this. That's not what I did. And I always told myself, no matter how high I go, or no matter what I do in this life or this business, that I will never change. Because I've seen people that do that. I've seen people get money and then start acting differently and looking down on people who don't have. And I just know that where I come from and what I've come up from, I will never forget what it felt like to never have any money. I will never forget what it felt like to put a video out and it didn't get any views. I will never forget what it felt like to have a dream and a vision and no one believed in it. And then to turn that thing into a multiple six-figure business, to turn that video into something that gets millions of views, to turn a little channel with no subscribers to 10,000 subscribers. I want to be that sort of thing where you can see someone like you growing and still, you know, sure, look, at some point, if the money starts pouring in, like if it's just ridiculous, because, you know, we always talk about this, like there's just a certain point where like, just money just doesn't have the same value, you know? But anyway, look, man, I just wanted to take a moment to thank you guys for subscribing. Don't worry about your channel, guys. And I know this kind of like, even though I look at the numbers, I'm looking at the matrix, I'm looking at the analytics, that's something that I developed over time. A lot of you guys are similar to me. You uploaded your channel, you're trying to get subscribers, you want people to join, and you don't know how to all figure it out. Guys, just start with where you are. Start with your camera. You don't need fancy equipment. The sun can be your light. I have a little a tripod that I bought. I probably paid $20 for it because I just noticed in the videos I kept holding my camera all the time, and my videos are long, 15-20 minutes. It just gets, my arm is just getting tired of just holding it. But just start where you are. There's free editing software out there. I use KindMaster. That's what I use to edit on my phone. You can download that to your phone, and it's pretty simple and easy to make the edits and the cuts, and then just as you start to develop, you'll just notice that you get a little bit better. Look, if you go back and look at my first video, the first video I ever put on YouTube, it was horrible. It was horrible. Now, I mean, at the time it was great. It was me being me. I think I had someone was recording me, and while they were recording me, they literally were holding a script that I had written underneath. And I never would do that now. Every video I've made has been, you know, I don't write things down. I'm gonna get better at that. I'm probably gonna get a teleprompter or some sort of iPad app or whatever. But every video that I do, I don't write anything down. I don't storyboard it. I'm going to start doing that. But guys, when I first started, the video was great, you know, to me. But by my standards now, no, I would never produce a video like that. That was 10 years ago when I made that video. So after I made that video, guess what I did? I made another video, and I kept making videos, and I just kept making videos, and I kept making videos. And so sometimes people would even ask, or I would make videos every day, especially on Facebook. So if you guys ever find me on Facebook, I have like 15,000 followers, 5,000 friends. I would make a video every day. And the reason I made the videos every day was because I needed to be comfortable. I needed to be comfortable. I was creating and learning and growing to being comfortable when the camera goes on. Because sometimes when the camera goes on, we don't like to see our faces. You don't like to hear your voice. I went through that phase, right? Like even my voice now, sometimes my videos, if someone's watching my video and I'm sitting right there, I'm like, turn that off. Because just humanly, we don't like to hear our own voices. I had to get through that phase where I was comfortable hearing my own voice and seeing myself on camera, especially now, going back and watching some of my videos or watching some of the things that I've done, learning where I could have made a different edit or cut or added something. So being a student of myself. And if there's any advice that I can give you, if you want to grow your channel, is to just stay true to who you are. Don't overthink it. As humans, we're gonna do that. And don't talk yourself out of it, man. You know, right now, I know that there are people out there, you've already recorded the video, you've done some editing on it, it's probably ready to go, but you think in your mind, you gotta do 2 or 3 more things. Man, launch the video. just drop it. Just drop it and get it out there. And like this, watch the engagement. Watch how people interact. And if they're saying thank you, guys, I was telling some friends that are here with me in Vegas, it feels so incredibly amazing that random strangers from all over the world would comment and say that my video helped them in some sort of way, or my video encouraged them in some sort of way, or my video motivated them in some sort of way. And the greatest thing about all of this, especially with this technology that we have, is that the people that are going to change your life and the people whose lives that you're going to change, you haven't even met them yet. So I encourage you guys to get out there, start your channel, grow your channel, leave some comments down below. If this video is helpful in any way, please click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know when I go live again. I'm doing better with trying to create more content. I do not have it all figured out. I'm growing every day. I'm learning to become better. And at the end of the day, man, I really, from my heart, man, I want to say thank you guys for subscribing, helping me get to this level. I love setting benchmarks for myself. I love setting goals for myself. I love growing. You know, growing and developing and seeing who I can become. And I love looking back on where I came from and to see where I'm at, and then hopefully to sort of glance to the future to see where I'm going. And I love that you guys are a part of that. So as I always say in every video, man, never give up. Always believe in yourself. Cory Brim, Sugar Bar. I will see you guys on the next video.